everybody, and a very warm welcome back to Sparkling Autos. I know it's been about 5 months since my last video. A lot has happened in that time. I've reached 1,000 subscribers, I bought a new house with new garage, which has taken up a lot of my time because there's a lot of work to do inside the house. But progress has been made, and I actually have the garage in a reasonable condition now where I can use it to get back to detailing cars, which was of course my plan today, but unfortunately the weather has had other ideas and I'm not able to get out and do anything. But what I am going to do very quickly is change the wipers on my car, because in the frost last week when I got into the car I accidentally hit the wiper stalk, turned the wipers on whilst they were frozen to the windscreen, and it has torn the driver's blade. So I'm going to get that changed now, and we might as well make a quick video of it. At least I can get something uploaded to the channel. But anyway, enough waffling from me. Let's get on with changing these wipers, and we'll also be back with some proper detailing content very soon, once the weather dries up a bit. I know this isn't exactly the most exciting topic for a video, but I had to record something, so bear with me for a few minutes. So you can see here why I need to change the wipers, but before I do that I need to put them into service mode because you can't get the wiper arms up due to their relative position to the bonnet. Top tip number 1 for this video: if you're going to be putting your wipers in service mode, no matter what type of car it is, I would personally recommend you soak the windscreen in water. This will reduce the risk of either scoring your glass or even damaging your wiper arm and motors due to the excess friction. Now, putting your wiper arms into service mode is going to vary from different manufacturers, but with the Ford system I have, turn the ignition on, flick the wipers once to move them, remove the key and hold the wiper stalk down. And as you can see, this puts the wipers into the service position where I can now bend the arms up and remove the wipers safely. So if you're still with me at this point, congratulations, you've made it halfway through the video. And you can see the lighting's still pretty poor in the garage. I have a bit of work to do. So to actually remove the arms in, just press the square button down. Not remove the arms, to remove the wipers, press the square button down in the middle of the arm and then just pull the wiper forward. You'll notice here that I've left the driver's arm in the up position. This is purely to make life more awkward for myself to try to reach the passenger side. Time for top tip number 2. Don't forget to set the wiper arms carefully back onto the windscreen, because if they do snap down they can and will cause a crack. I did have a little bit of difficulty with this one trying to get it in the hole, but with a bit of wriggling I did eventually get there. There we go, and that just leaves the passenger side. And top tip number 3 then, which is actually just tip number 1 repeated again, is to soak the windscreen again with water before you return the wipers back to normal mode. And I'm fairly certain that's the first time it's ever been called normal mode. But just to reiterate, the reasoning behind that is when you do return the wipers out of service mode, this will stop any friction on the windscreen, as you're about to see. Because the last thing you want to do is cause damage to your brand new wiper blades. There we go, a nice clear ghost free wipe. So what else is coming up on the channel? Well, if you stick around for the next few seconds you'll get a quick glimpse of the new video that's coming up, possibly within the next week or 2. If you have made it this far, you're clearly a dedicated fan of the channel and I really do appreciate your view. Thanks very much for watching and take care.